The goal of building a business isn't to work more hours. It's to build systems that keep working even when you step away. AI is making that possible for business owners who never could have built those systems before. Here's how to actually do it. Welcome to Node Pulse. Today's episode is about automation, specifically using AI to automate the parts of your business that are eating your time and energy. We're not talking about theory. We're talking about real workflows that real businesses are running right now. Why automation matters. Every hour you spend on repetitive, low-value tasks is an hour you're not spending on strategy, growth, or the work only you can do. Most business owners are buried in the operational stuff, answering emails, scheduling appointments, following up with leads, posting content, chasing invoices, and they never get above it long enough to actually grow. Automation fixes that. AI makes automation accessible to businesses that aren't tech companies. Here's the mindset shift that makes this click. You're not automating your business to eliminate jobs. You're automating to eliminate the tasks that don't require your specific expertise and judgment. Your expertise is the valuable thing. Admin work is the thing that gets in the way of your expertise. Automation removes the obstacle. Step 1. Map your repetitive tasks. Before you automate anything, you need to know what you're automating. Spend one day keeping a log of everything you do. Flag the stuff that happens more than twice a week, follows a predictable pattern, doesn't require your unique judgment. Those are your automation targets. Common ones: lead follow-up emails, appointment reminders, invoice generation, content posting, customer onboarding messages. The ones that surprise most business owners: how much time goes into routine communication, the just following up email, the confirming your appointment text, the here's your invoice message. Individually, they feel quick. Tracked over a week, they often add up to several hours of time that could be running automatically. Step 2. Lead follow-up. Don't let prospects go cold. One of the highest impact automations for any service business is lead follow-up. A tool like HubSpot, free tier available, Go High Level, or Zoho CRM can automatically send a follow-up email or text the moment someone fills out your contact form. Not hours later, immediately. Pair that with an AI that writes personalized responses based on what the lead said in the form, and you've got a system that responds faster than any human could, 24 hours a day. The conversion difference between responding in 5 minutes versus 2 hours is dramatic. Automating this alone can change your close rate. The math: if you currently close 20% of leads and the average job is $1,000, automating lead response at the industry-cited 9x improvement in conversion for sub-5-minute response could theoretically take your close rate to 30 to 40%. On 20 leads a month, that's the difference between 4 closes and 8 closes. That's $4,000 in extra monthly revenue from one automation. Step 3. Appointment booking. Remove yourself from the loop. Scheduling back and forth is a time killer. Tools like Calendly connected to your website let customers book directly on your calendar with no phone call required. Add an AI chatbot on the front end. Tools like Tidio or ManyChat, and the bot can qualify leads, answer questions, and guide them to book an appointment, all without you being involved at all. Your calendar fills up while you're on a job site, asleep, or at dinner with your family. The booking confirmation and reminder sequence also runs automatically. 24 hours before the appointment, an automated reminder goes out. Day of, another one. If they need to reschedule, the system handles that too. You show up to the appointment prepared, and the no-show rate drops significantly. Step 4. Email and communication automation. AI writing tools like ChatGPT and help you build out email sequences once, and then those sequences run on autopilot. A new customer signs up, an automated welcome email goes out. They don't respond to your quote in 3 days, an automated follow-up nudges them. They book a job, an automated confirmation and prep email lands in their inbox. Platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Klaviyo handle the sequencing. AI helps you write the actual emails so they don't sound robotic. The key is writing the email sequences to sound human. Use ChatGPT to draft them with warmth and personality. Test them on a few real customers. Refine. Once they're right, they run forever, and every new customer gets the same high-quality communication experience. Step 5. Content and social media. For any business trying to maintain a consistent online presence, content is a grind. AI changes this. Use ChatGPT to batch create a month's worth of social media content in one sitting. Use Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule it all at once. Use Canva AI to generate the graphics. You spend 3 hours on a Sunday. Your content is set for the month. That's automation at a level most small business owners never imagined. And consistency matters more than quality in social media. A business that posts mediocre content every day will outperform one that posts brilliant content twice a month. AI makes consistency achievable for anyone, regardless of writing ability or creative resources. Step 6. Invoicing and operations. Tools like QuickBooks and FreshBooks can automatically generate and send invoices based on job completion. Combined with payment processors that send reminders and handle late payments, you can take most of the chase out of getting paid. Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat, are the connective tissue of business automation. They let you link tools together. When a customer is marked job complete in your CRM, Zapier can automatically trigger the invoice, the follow-up email, and the review request. One event, 3 actions, 0 manual work. Start small, stack wins. The mistake most people make is trying to automate everything at once. Pick the one task that takes the most repetitive time every week. Build one automation around it. Get that working reliably, then add another. Over 3 to 6 months, you'll have a business that operates at a level that used to require a team of people. And the cumulative time savings compound. The first automation saves you 2 hours a week. Add 3 more and you're at 8 hours. That's 8 hours you can spend on higher value work, family time, or building additional income streams. The automation mindset. Think in workflows. One of the most important shifts for getting value from automation is learning to think in workflows rather than tasks. A task is something you do. A workflow is a sequence of tasks triggered by an event. When a new customer books a job, the workflow might be send confirmation email, add to CRM, schedule reminder, send pre-job instructions. After completion, trigger invoice and review request. That entire sequence runs automatically from a single trigger. Learning to see your business as a collection of workflows and then mapping out which workflows can be automated is the mental model that makes everything else click. Most business owners have 15 to 20 repeatable workflows running in their heads. Getting them documented and automated is what builds a real operating system for your business. Tools to know. For workflow automation without code, Zapier, most beginner-friendly, large library of integrations, Make.com, more powerful for complex logic, slightly steeper learning curve, and N8N, self-hosted option, free for those comfortable with more technical setup. For AI-powered customer communication, Go High Level, built for service businesses, all-in-one CRM with AI features, Tidio, AI chatbot for websites, and ManyChat for social media automation. For content and social, Buffer, Hootsuite, or later for scheduling, Canva AI for visual creation, Opus Clip for repurposing video automatically. You don't need all of these. You need the ones that address your actual bottlenecks. Start with one and add as you grow. Automation isn't just for big companies anymore. It's for anyone willing to set it up. Subscribe to Node Pulse for more practical AI content every week, and drop a comment below. What's the one thing in your business you wish you could automate?